Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Weekend Today in Central New York. Our stretch of hot weather continues into today. We already broke the record high temperature for the past 3 days in a row, reaching 86 Thursday and Friday and 88 yesterday. And today stays hot, forecasting a high of 84, although the record is a little bit higher for today at 90 degrees, set back in 2012. Then we get a big cool down looking ahead to the work week. We'll get sunshine for one more day, but then a cold front is on the way, and that's bringing us that big cool down, but also the risk to see some severe storms later on tonight. As this system rolls through, it could bring us some gusty winds and maybe even some large hail as well. Not just for central New York, but for the Great Lakes region stretching all the way down to the Carolinas. Here locally, the best chance to see some strong storms will be for western New York and the Finger Lakes regions, including Penn Yan, Rochester, and Buffalo, between the hours of midnight to 7 a.m. tonight. So not your usual time frame for severe weather. You may be asleep for most of this, but it may impact that morning commute towards the sunrise hour. Some of these storms could have some high gusty winds, large hail, and maybe some flash flooding just because of how heavy the rain will be coming down. But we're not expecting to get a whole lot of rainfall accumulation, but a quick half an inch up to an inch under some of the thunderstorms. And we're already seeing the difference in temperature take place across the Great Lakes region as that cold front comes closer. Notice it's in the 60s for most of the Great Lakes, but on the other side of Michigan, it's in the 30s. That's what's on the way as we look ahead to Monday. So let's time this out with your futurecast. This morning, we started off in the 50s. Now we're in the 60s late this morning. Any lingering fog is shedding way to sunny skies to start the day, and we're warming up fast. By lunchtime in the upper 70s, then in the afternoon in the low to mid 80s, with a few puffy cumulus clouds beginning to pop up, and maybe the chance for an isolated shower or two popping up, mainly in eastern New York. The real thunderstorm activity doesn't arrive until tonight with that cold front, reaching western New York first, closer to around midnight, and the Finger Lakes region around midnight to 1 a.m. Then in Syracuse closer to 2 or 3. Reaching eastern New York around 3 or 4 a.m. and some lingering light rain showers closer to sunrise. Best chance for strong storms will be over eastern New York by sunrise tomorrow. Now, as we look ahead to the work week, a check of your 7-day forecast. That cold front brings the big cool down. 50s on Monday with some rain in the morning, changing over to scattered showers. Rain and even mixing with snow showers on Tuesday. Highs in the 40s, windy conditions dropping into the 30s at night. Then any light slushy snow accumulation for the North Country tapers off early Wednesday, and we gradually warm up through the week. 60s Thursday, 70s next weekend, along with some scattered thunderstorms Friday and Saturday. Maggie?